Okay, so we live in a society where we are full of stigmas, and stigmas are very dangerous because stigma जब एक चीज के पीछे लग जाता है, and if a person is associated to it, there's almost like things get devastated. And one such stigma is around a very important topic, that are periods, menstruation. And this stigma is not new. It's been there for quite a long time. And today, when we read articles about it, when we, just find the word period some out there, there's one thing that pops up into, mind of a lot of people. Okay, I read something very bad. Why? It is a natural thing. It is bound to exist. Natural है तो exist करेगी. So now, when I was reading some articles regarding the same, particularly था कि uh, first period experiences. So there it was that one thing that shook me the most was one such experience of a girl narrated that for the first time when she had her first period, she told her mom naturally. And जैसे ही उन्होंने अपने मम्मा को बताया, and her mom went like, okay, this is a piece of cloth, this is how you are going to use it, and do not tell your father that your periods have started. If you're not ready to make your daughter comfortable with periods with her dad itself, then how do we exactly expect the society to be, liberal about this topic? I won't be explaining how the serious problem is, right? Everybody of us knows. Boys को पता है, but we are not ready to, accept it. हम ये इस चीज को कर देते हैं कि मैं तो नहीं, I don't consider it as a stigma. So the problem doesn't exist for me, at least. At some deep down, we say that we are ready to talk about it, and we are actually not willing to talk about it because we are not open enough. Okay, I'm sorry for the sound. I'm so sorry. So we are not, brave enough to talk about this. But somewhere out there, we need to talk about this. This is going very serious. बहुत serious जा रहा है, Population equivalent to the size of India globally lacks access to proper toilets. And I'm talking about women particularly. Like, they too menstruate, right? So अगर उनके पास एक basic access to toilet नहीं है, then how do we expect them to use the products related to it? They end up using piece of cloth, ash, anything available out there except for the period products. And some stigmas here in India, kitchen में नहीं जाना, कुछ खाना नहीं बनाना. Okay, I'm so sorry for this. I'll just mute myself once. So yeah, I was telling you, stigmas are a lot. Kitchen में नहीं जाना, खाना नहीं बनाना, मंदिर में नहीं जाना, ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना. यार क्यों? Why do we have this? And now the reason why I'm saying it, because making boys aware of it. Girls are on the front line of it, and they know how hard the thing is and what is the harsh reality. So when it comes to my idea, I'll begin how it came into my mind. So I was sitting with my friend, and she was like, okay, I won't be playing basketball today. We were planning to play, right? And she was like, I won't play today. The group, we insisted her to play, and but she was like, we won't. I won't play. She was like, okay, mat khelo. Then in the evening, we had a call, chit chatting, regular chit chatting, and then she told that she was on her periods and the cramps were pretty bad, and so she didn't have the energy to play, or she didn't want to play. Completely fine with it, and that was the first time that somebody talked about periods without any barriers, or without any taboos, openly. And I was really impressed by that thing. Okay, that people, girls have started talking about it. So from therein, the whole idea came up that if she was brave enough, although it's not right to say it, but if she was comfortable talking about it to someone, then why this thing is not prevalent in the society? Why it is still
Uh,
considered taboo?
Hi, Manan. Dhruv.
Yeah, hi. Hi, Dhruv.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but
Yeah, go ahead, please.
very common and people talk about it, right?
Yeah,
Hello,
yeah, I'm listening to
can you
you.
hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in our generation, it's very common and everybody talks about it. I guess in my group itself, they talk about it, and I have heard many people talking about it. But the problem is with our parents and our grandparents, right?
Exactly.
So according to me, what we can do is we
Hmm.
as a children we can explain to it to our parents, right?
Hmm. That's a well point. I agree to that completely.
Parents, not with us. So
Yeah,
I'm not
exactly.
understanding.
Yeah,
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 yeah.
yeah. Exactly. If we understand the topic, that's why we are here in the session. We are talking about it. It's just that barrier that is.
Manan,
Yeah.
I
Yes.
would also like to add something.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
Uh, Not all of our peers, they are used to talking about periods and all. Not all of them. Still, many are there, especially the girls who don't want to talk when they're on their period. They're like, "Just नहीं जाऊंगी, ये है वो है." This
Yeah.
is
So
happening. पेरेंट्स और
exa-
ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स भी नहीं, हमारे यूथ में भी अभी भी चल रहा है, ये कोई बदलाव खास नहीं आया है, बहुत
in the
कम
video
लोग हैं.
start.
Some percentage of people, they have started to talk about periods openly, but not all of them.
exactly, Tamanna. So that is the thing we find. Each and every part over here कि कई लोग open हैं, कई लोग नहीं हैं. So that is the thing that the idea is all based upon that. Let's educate people. Let's make them aware that it's okay, it is fine, it's a natural thing. Why we put up so much of barriers, why we put up so much of restrictions, consider it as a taboo topic to talk upon. Just talk it out. It's as normal as anything. So okay, I'll share my viewpoints on this. Basically my idea. So the thing is that
Um,
yeah, somebody wanted to speak.
I'm audible, Mehek this side. So basically, like as we talked about that, like a lot of people these days, like basically,
I'm sorry for the background noise. You
but
may
I
continue,
think one
please.
thing that I have noticed, I yeah. So I think I belong from a town. Like I'm not a city person. I belong from a rural area. So one thing I've noticed over here that even people from my age group, they aren't really comfortable to talk about it. It is, I think, only prevalent in cities, like a city like Delhi. Like I'm in my college in Delhi University. So I know we can talk. I can talk about it to my friends very openly, but not to my friends here in my town. So varies from region to region, like from rural to urban, and even in some cases, even in urban areas as well. So it is not that open even today.
Thank you, Mehak. That's why I wanted a session like this because Instagram पे मैं idea अपना put up कर सकता था, but the viewpoints of you guys, that's what really matters because you are on the front of it. I can only present my idea, my thinking about it, and you guys on the front of it. Okay, so there are two models basically. If अगर मैं पूरे अपने idea को दो में divide करूँ, तो एक college model है, एक societal model है. So societal model में क्या है that we come up with the formation of an organization जहाँ पे हम there are people out there, पूरा ग्रुप है, क्लस्टर है, वहां पे हमारे पास डॉक्टर्स हैं, हमारे पास प्रोफेशनल्स हैं, गायनेक्स हैं पर्टिकुलरली, जो हमें एजुकेट करेंगे. Because periods are not just only a thing that okay mom you're not pregnant, it's just not only that, it's way more above that because your periods say a lot. You can just have a complete body checkup via your period, via period blood in fact. So that is something that needs to be addressed. ये शायद कई लोगों को नहीं पता. The color of your blood, the amount of discharge, the viscosity of the liquid. So that tells a lot about the body. And जब हम अगर ये ग्रुप फॉर्मेशन हो जाती है then we gonna have a hub की जहाँ पे लोगों को कुछ abnormalities आ रही हैं and if they find something uncommon तो वो डिस्कस कर सकते हैं प्रोफेशनल डॉक्टर्स के साथ किसी इनफैक्ट अपने ग्रुप में ही डिस्कस कर सकते हैं so that if anybody has already faced it वो अपने व्यू पॉइंट शेयर कर सकते हैं कि यस ओके आई फेस दिस, ये शायद पॉसिबल ये डायग्नोस्टिक है और ये शायद इसका इलाज पोटेंशियल हो सकता है। सेकंड पॉइंट, जब ये ग्रुप बन जाएगा उसके बाद हम कंप्लीटली आपस में बात करना शुरू करेंगे, वी गेट कंफर्टेबल टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर, वी इनकॉर्पोरेट मोर पीपल, द ग्रुप्स गेट वाइडनिंग अप इन अ नट। इससे क्या होएगा इन अ नटशेल की ग्रुप बढ़ता रहेगा, we become more comfortable talking about it, the taboo is you know removed at least from some people. And second is the college model. Girls out there would agree to me that despite anything that you carry in your wallet, the purses or the bags, there are always some period products out there, be it pads, be it tampons or menstrual cup, there's always there, and you guys just don't hesitate to give it up to anyone. But what if that someday you have your periods unexpectedly or you just run out of your period products? That is a problem now. So how do I wish to address this is कि अगर हम कॉलेज में अपने कैंपस में है बेसिकली, तो वी हैव सम people out there जो एक यूनिक आइडेंटिटी से जुड़े होंगे, मे बी अ बैच, मे बी अ कलर, मे बी एनीथिंग। आप जाइए उनके पास एंड दे वुड हैव अ मेडिकल किट जिसमें प्रोडक्ट्स होंगे, बी इट दी पैड्स, दी पेन रिलीवर्स, each and everything of that जो भी required होता है, and you go them, you ask them that आपके पास अगर है, and if a girl needs it, you just get it from that person, use it, and that's it, we are done with it. So this was my college model, कि campus model, कि ऐसा एक हमारा सिस्टम होना चाहिए that if any girl needs it, आप आइए
Man,
अप्रोच
can I
करिए
say
हम।
something?
Yes Mahek.
Okay, so what I was saying that like you talked about the college campus, that how we provide things when if someone gets their periods in emergency and they run out of their period products. I think like as far as I have observed in, so your college model will be basically working in the Delhi University as you are the part of Delhi University, right? So as much as I have observed in Delhi University, co-educational colleges. So there are already some measures over there to deal with it.
Right.
Like college, we already have a pad vending machine, and we already have a where we can get all the medications and all for the periods. Like if anyone has a stomach ache or any cramp or something. So something that is like already existing. What we need to do is we need to make something like more unique about the organization. Did you remember link with you on the Instagram? It was my friend's organization, Ritava, right? So she is basically there to provide people with with organic pads, like the pads like we use generally. They are like plastic pads, but she's there to provide them with organic pads. So this is how she does. Like along with this, she also has some campaigns regarding education and all. So ek bari I was thinking ki matlab the idea is really nice. This is some ही कम है because this is like so deeply entrenched in our society. So I was suggesting कि we should come up with something unique. मतलब कि एक बार एक idea हम एक opening के लिए एक initiative लेने के लिए कुछ उसी sense में थोड़ा सा अगर कुछ unique लेकर आए ना और बाद में उसको general में expand करते जाएं, I think that will be a much better thing.
बिल्कुल, I just totally agree with you Nick. So that's why मैं कह रहा था कि this is all the idea. इसको हम एक्सपैंड कैसे करते हैं, इसको हम किस वे में इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, इसको कैसे कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, वो एक चलिए बात की बात है। बट एज ऑफ नाउ आई एम जस्ट प्रेजेंटिंग द आइडिया बिकॉज यू गाइस, यू एंड गर्ल्स आउट देयर, आपको पता है कि एग्जिस्टिंग चीजें क्या हैं अच्छी तरह से, यू हैव बीन थ्रू इट एंड यू सजेस्ट बेटर
Hello.
कि आप इसे कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहिए। यस ध्रुव।
Yeah, Manan. Actually, basically, I think Mehak is trying to say that with the idea is yours, and we have to add some innovations in it, right?
Obviously.
Okay, so what we have to think about we provide will be unique, right?
Yeah, because obviously idea तो बहुत पुराना है, but yeah, we need to come up some innovations, कुछ नई चीजें करें।
Yeah.
We do it something unique way, right? So yeah, that was it. Like, yeah, go ahead, please.
Okay.
Somebody was speaking.
Uh, Hi, Manan. Gurnoor here.
Yeah, go
Yeah,
ahead.
so I was thinking about this thing, like we are coming up with the innovations.
Ji.
Most of this youth, for now. For this purpose, the best platform is social media, first of all.
Indeed.
Then that could be the face-to-face interactions with the people. Like I know everyone meets many people every day, so they interact with them. So
Ji.
that could be like, if you are obviously, I know girls are not comfortable about, they get into a one comfort zone, then they talk about this thing.
Ji. Bilkul.
So I think that, like, yeah, talking about this, then girls are more comfortable to talk about this with like boy or a girl present in between the boy, in the boys
Hmm.
in the group.
Ji.
See, me coming from a medical college, I have seen, like, I recently went to that college and there were like a girl, a small child, and she was like having some issues with her all the surgery or whichever she went, and she just saw the blood, like she was, I think, of 8 or 9 years. She just wound, like I am bleeding and all. I think the people think that the bleeding caused by this whole process, this natural process, or the wound is not different, it's just the same blood. That is just same blood coming out from the any wound or the discharge. And people need to understand that this problem is, this is especially not a problem. I would correct myself,
Exactly.
this is not a
Exactly.
problem. This process and your wound are typically same, so you do of this process, and you need to work on this. I just think, thank you.
So yeah, thank you for the viewpoint, and thank you for pointing out
Uh,
something very important. Yeah, go ahead, Arun, please.
Yeah, actually, I think the same that it's more important to change the thinking of the people, and
Exactly.
it's not only about the youth. I think
Hmm.
it's more important in all the age groups.
Bilkul.
Because in urban areas it's okay, like in our peer groups, but
Ji.
in rural areas and in more,
Ji. Ji. Bilkul.
it's a more prevalent problem.
That is yes. Good note, please.
Yeah, I would just like to say, if we try to teach our elder people, like our parents
Hmm.
or our grandparents,
Hmm.
there
Yeah,
would be a difficulty in listening and understanding.
Hmm.
If we are starting, we should start from youth. Youth is more understanding and they have perspectives.
Bilkul.
If we can get more of youth to understand this, then more of grandparents would understand about this.
Exactly. And see, the basic thing is,
See,
yeah. Go ahead. You guys just continue
no,
the
no,
discussion.
no, yeah. Actually, I live in Delhi only, and in Delhi, I think the youth is quite active about this. I don't know about the other cities, but in Delhi, it's
Ji.
totally okay with it there. What I'm trying to say. But outside Delhi, I don't know about youth also and about parents and grandparents also. Obviously, parents and grandparents will be like not okay with it. Like in Delhi, also they are not okay with it.
Mm-hmm.
Step is to make the youth active outside Delhi, because Delhi, I know 90% of the people are okay with it.
Exactly. So, thank you, Dhruv, for the important point.
Excuse me, am I
Yeah, yeah.
audible?
Go ahead. Yeah, you are. You're certainly
Yeah,
audible.
yeah. Actually, recently I was reading an article in Forbes that stated that some taboos in our society, that is condom, chicken, and sanitary napkins was amongst them, and they are actually packed in black polythenes. They should avoid selling it in black polythenes, I guess. It
You
would
know,
help a lot
exactly. So yeah,
So
because it will change our mind directly.
exactly.
I would,
That's yeah. Go ahead, please.
sorry to interrupt. Like, this is like a chemist. If we say na, if we go to one or the other chemist, we say, I don't want this in. This would be our confidence that I don't want this in black that polythene bag. You give me this in either any other bag, or I will carry.
Exactly.
They are accepting this.
Yeah.
Not like we can just go to whole over India's chemist shops na, and do like stop this in black polythene bags and all. You
Yeah,
understand,
that's
right?
true. Yeah.
So Manan, I was just suggesting that like before, I think we are 12 to 13 people over here. So
Mm-hmm.
if we can just have something like an introductory thing, like if we all introduce ourselves, I think that will be better to
Yeah,
talk to each
great.
other then.
Great. So, that's why I was even recording the session because अभी हम काफी कम लोग हैं and we'll upload it on the web so that the idea is widespread. So I'll begin. I guess सब लोग you guys are aware of me. I am Manan Sehgal and I'm going to be part of Delhi University and I'm from DPS Bathinda and it is from there and I came up with this. Basically, I'm not behind this idea. There is one a friend of mine. She's behind this idea and I'm taking it up forward. We are the co-founders. If this succeeds, so yeah, that was me for you guys. You guys,
Okay,
can
so
you introduce?
my name is Mehak and I am from Kirurimal College, Delhi University. Like I'm in my second year right now, and I belong from a town near Bathinda to which Manan belongs. Yeah, that is all about me.
Karodimal College.
Yes,
Yeah.
ये नॉर्थ कैंपस वाले बड़े लोग हैं.
Even
हाँ,
you are not campus, okay?
Dude, GGS is not in the north campus. पूछ लो यहाँ
actually,
से आपने.
GGS is not exactly in the North Campus.
Exactly. 8 किलोमीटर है.
Not campus.
Yeah.
Okay. Enough of it. Enough of it. Let others speak. Others introduce themselves.
Hi, my name is Gurnoor, and I am from Ludhiana. I currently live in Ludhiana. I am from Christian Medical College, and I am ex despite I have moved a lot. I am ex despite I'm ex DAVN from here. So this is me. Thank you.
Okay, we have only next 10 minutes left. So we need to hurry this up. Yeah. Who's next? Nobody wants to give their introduction.
Manan,
Yes,
तो
Mehak.
one thing तुम सब नाम बोल दो एक एक करके तो वो खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस कर देंगे.
Okay. I'll do this now. So, Harsimran, do we expect an introduction from you?
Yeah, why not?
Great.
I'm from Sri Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce, and that's my introduction. That's it.
Thank
I'm
you,
from
Harsimran.
Delhi.
Thank you. People are leaving. Great. So yeah. So देखो, we have, since nobody is interested to introduce themselves, and I won't be pointing out that doesn't look nice. So yeah, abhi ke liye, we had discussion over the idea, and I am pretty happy that you guys are up for the idea, and we wish to take it forward. So I'll be creating a WhatsApp group जिसमें आप लोग सब होंगे, and first of all हमारा काम है इस organization को एक नाम देना, because as soon as we begin, we give it a name and we are finally there in the working field and we start working upon it. चाहे वो हमें we need to recruit people for it, हमें कैसे proceed करना है इसके लिए, how do we get this organization working, how do we get this working, everything, be it be anything. So I'll be creating a short WhatsApp group and I'll provide the link of the same. So let's join the group and have a meeting once again when we have people into the group so that we take this forward. Are we happy with it? Are we fine with it? अब तो हाँ ना बोल दो यार.
Oh, great.
Yes.
And
Wait. Somebody was saying something. Expect an yes, except for yes. Okay, yeah.
Hey,
If you guys
Manan,
want, yeah, sure. Please go ahead.
so I love your idea because I have worked for the field and I have been there with like social sector for a bit of extracurricular as a part of Rotaract. So I somewhat know the ground in that matter, but I'll need to ask you one thing. Do you
Yeah.
want to make it a feasible business model or an social sector model?
No, not a business model at all. Not a business model at all.
That's a great thing because I just felt like an organization that could be formed for a business purpose, while it should be for a social purpose.
See, I'll be very clear that this is for the societal purpose only. We can enter the business when we know when we have finally some ideas that how do we make the period products cost effective, so that all women out there, we can try we can try engaging them buying the products, so that is cost effective. So that's the only thing
See,
as of now, अगर हम business में step up करते हैं, but I won't like to step up into business model.
But that's
Yeah.
great.
So I think I would like to clarify Manan a bit. I think this is, even if we turn it into a kind of business model. Business model का मतलब हुआ कि हम कुछ ना कुछ अपने profit के लिए कर रहे हैं. But I do not think that will be the case over here. Even if we get into something that will be completely a non-profit organization where
Exactly.
we will be getting them for the benefit of the society, like either to distribute period products in the slums or in the rural areas where they're accessible. So that will be a completely non-profit
Exactly,
organization.
Mahek,
Like,
exactly.
हमारा खुद का
That is something I also wanted to address, that because period products कई लोग नहीं afford कर पाते हैं, and it is not a luxury, it is a necessity thing, and they have the right to access it. So when we enter this societal thing, जब हम we are well established, the next step I would like to take is we collect donations from the business houses, say, or ourselves only, and we give away the products, because they're not the luxury thing and they need to have it. चाहे वो खुद खरीदे चाहे उन्हें हम दें, they need to have it. And something very common about period products is that India mein pads and a piece of cloth, it is very famous when it comes to period products. We are not even aware of the other options, that we have tampons, we have menstrual cups. Why people fear using them as well? Because when we compare it, pad needs to be changed every 3 to 4 hours depending upon the discharge. But when it comes to menstrual cups, they can be used just jab marzi, you can use as long as you wish to, right? You take it out, you just clean it and then use it again. Now the problem with that is the thing has to be inserted in your body. Now this isn't the concern. So educating people about menstruation, the stigmas, the taboos, the different products, so that is in a nutshell is the whole idea. And when we are finally into the real world, we wish to take it forward with suggestion of all you guys. So I've dropped down a link in the chat box. Kindly join that WhatsApp group so that we finally proceed with the idea.
Manan,
Yes, Mahek.
I think someone over here, I think they talked about social media, that we
जी
can, for the time being, that
जी बिल्कुल.
it will be unsafe, that we can use social. But I think
Yeah,
that
I
is a good
also think.
idea now. Yeah, so I think that is a good idea, not a bad one. But the thing is कि social media पे we'll be able to reach the people we know. मतलब मेरे साथ social media पे कौन है? It's you, my college friends, my school friends, with you, मतलब your future college, तुम्हारे अभी तक के school friends. And I
जी
think all of them, जितना मुझे पता है, most of them are already aware about it. Most of them are already
बिल्कुल.
right. So social media पर, like I have seen my parents scrolling Facebook, मतलब parents mostly Facebook पर होते हैं,
जी
and I've seen them scrolling, and there are also quite videos like for the social reform, मतलब काफी
जी
there are some videos take it up, but जितना मैंने observe किया है मेरे family में कि they'll watch it and they'll ignore it. मतलब काम का वो कुछ नहीं सोचेंगे कि okay, so periods, they are not a taboo, they are as normal as you digest, you pee, like they're as normal as that. तो वो उस चीज को नहीं करेंगे. For them it is still like something you need to hide it from the society or something. So
I
in
I
these,
agree with that.
yeah,
I
I'm
had this
wondering
in mind. I had this in mind, the whole thing. So वही है, that's why I said that जितने भी अभी हम अभी we come up with because हर जने के पास एक different point है, कोई problem है, उसको हम कैसे solve कर सकते हैं. So that's why I wanted it to happen this way. Don't worry, if we have started this, we'll take it to the end point, चाहे वो हम social media से करें, चाहे वो हम physically step in करें world में, and जहाँ तक colleges की बात है, it's going to reopen very soon, so हम लोग colleges में भी हो सकते हैं, if not colleges then school campuses, कुछ ना कुछ तो यार figure out कर लेंगे, अगर है determination तो इसको इसके end point तक हम जरूर लेके जाएंगे, and
Yeah, exactly.
that's
So
it.
one, see, I'll forget it. I'll forget about it. So one thing I just wanted to say, मतलब तुम सबको याद रहे. तो जैसे like I'm from Talwandi, you're from Bathinda, I think there's someone from Ludhiana, and like we from places as for now. मतलब हम सब I think same जगह से बहुत कम लोग हैं.
जी जी जी
तो
बिल्कुल.
अभी school reopening for the classes 9th to 12th. मतलब काफी जगह में in the Bathinda मेरे town
जी
में.
जी जी.
तो वो एक बार अगर हमारा ये establish हो जाता है, तो like as a name, so I told you about the foundation that I have joined recently, जिस पे मैं काम कर रही हूँ.
जी.
तो we can have this collaboration sort of thing with them, ताकि हमें थोड़ा base मिले, a strong.
I agree with that.
Have some seminars or you know.
Heck, you know, reaching out to people is the, you know, major thing that we need to have. But first of all, हमें इसका नाम चाहिए, हम members चाहिए, and the second, the most important thing is हमें doctors चाहिए, हमें gynecologists चाहिए, जो actually हमें educate करेंगे, जो actually world को educate करेंगे. So the meeting is about to end because मेरे पास pro नहीं है Zoom का. So the rest of the discussions or rest of the things we have it in the WhatsApp group. Guys, if you like the idea, spread the link of the WhatsApp group across your social media platforms. Thank you for joining.